Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and activate card in app on Venmo. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and launch the Venmo app on your phone and then log in into your account. Once you've done that, tap the cards icon at the bottom or go to your profile and then into menu, then Venmo card. Select your Venmo debit card and tap the activate button. You'll need to input the CVV, the 3-digit security code on the back of the card, and potentially other details like the card number and expiration date. If not pre-filled. Create a 4-digit personal identification number, PIN for ATM use and purchases. Then follow any final prompts to confirm your card will be active and ready to use. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.